MTN. Everywhere you go, my MTN app on say my MTN app store, ni Play Store. So over to me, I download now. I feel it. I my MTN app on so obe sending mumo my MTN app on say sending mumo near somehow. It is send disika mumo so MTN 4 and a diaba umpewe. What do you like? I'm on safe or the F pack the BX tablets can one I didn't samno at the bread one patrol F pack on Yano air BX tablets there. Why I don't want to win this or no na bibi biara shiro ni podi ani musamba back. DBS Industries Limited about about dance to DBS also now be see that no DBS say jaw dan show munsa na muntimi NC enfama DBS can one opinion there some idea bro Alex Kwabena Stone right time and you're Rafael Motala Jakwa champion James Ohineba Makion Professor Wallace be producers and opera coming wa when someone at prayer work I say with the nanka sabaka Kegyiwa ho Eric Asiedu Boadi abza ya mwakwaba say wiki dey gusu and birthday emudu no mu ana ye gusu wono
Adom Sports #1
yes Asiedu the senior national soccer team the Black Stars of Ghana Kachenra Okopiemo of the Accra Sports Stadium about Ghana versus Liberia Ayonkofa Kensie Shonkwe Basso eba na we no na Ghana emrantenet mejam nan so bogum ediama ya Liberia from any other okay e kamien sam matimu baako about Ernest Niama Kudus Mohammed ne Jordan Ayew and a boss I goes na dey mo Ghana na nya sam keto akra na kekika head hamre Alexander Jiku for the first time obo captain Sambande mo my Ghana na nya sam keto akra on Nicholas Opoku bo akire oni tipa and of course Joseph Adu omo miensa eje akire obo so and a face ultim say yes Schindler and so jana so bo akire obia na nya sam keto akra amborosho so chase ede mo my Ghana and of course in post ajay goalkeeper ono ehwe ni musa kwa bia so wet imagine din etiama o my Ghana amanfo brena bondis ayana yama na opportunity yama na opportunity no so ntimi mo kakra wahu ani ade later on Richard Ofori and so eba be kiremu esiakan edema my Ghana Jordan Ayew Shegu na nua de Ayew and so ejiremu bobi edema my Ghana later crown no beje captain Samba no wo sa game ni mu a na nyasam keto akra likes of Antoine Semenyomo and so ejiremu a na ekoye pa Abdul Hamid Fatau ani Ernest Niama wo nyina ebo adwuma na mom na de Ghana fo bebre na hwe se line up a coach ani di Eric Christian dia beto dwan no local players ben ene wom local players ben ena ejiremu ediama oman Ghana na Arsenal in City na Jonathan Soa and of course the man Abdul Hamid Fatah. One minute, I am a Medima Sporting Club players. Now, one more chance, Abdul Manaf Nuruddin, Kingsley Schindler, Alexander Jiku, Joseph Adu, Nicholas Opoku, Abdul Hamid Fatah, Wade Monato, Baba Idrisu, Ernest Niama, Antoine Semenyo, and of course Mohamed Robin Shasselete, as I may be Musubenya be, and a boy, local players, me no Munyabi boy, and on the Yabisa coach and the Christians. Hey, local players, modern was saying, the Christian in the two journey.
To whatever squad, I have to pick the whatever it is 24, 25 man squad that I think is the best squad to get the result that we need to get. Sometimes injuries can give others an opportunity, and we of course had an opportunity for both players from Milan, and I think both done well, particularly Jonathan coming on in that last minute and giving the team a real lift, I think, in that period, particularly when the game opens up. But really pleased for Hamid as well to make his debut. So I think that's probably, for them too, I think that's great encouragement. It's great encouragement for more of our local players to want to aspire to.
Way and summer Chris Hilton coach Mani Padma Black Stars or the Tuja. If it's a Chris Hilton by us again a first half on Kuyi. Second half for Nani and my homeless right journal so Bogum Kakani and Yadia. Na press conference I send na coach and the Chris Hilton is some to just no cranocre improvement their second team improve it. One way aware. Say Adiano and yes, Kwambia Sukobora or the opposite first half in Kuyi and second half in that be boy about 90 minutes. It's canning album Nakasa Ghana she say and Tim Yunu and Casa Haya Dia the about course to be 90 minutes ni bowi and be results a PM.
This was important because we were able to do some work with them leading up to the second game. We tried a different formation because I think these are the type of games where perhaps you can try things. Even though it's not to the detriment of the result, we still want to win the game and we still want to be as strong as possible. But certainly I've seen enough. There's still things we could have done better. Today in the first half, I thought we gave the ball away the pitch was difficult with obviously with the rain, but I thought we gave the ball away too easily at times in that first half period, and sometimes you need that to settle into the game, and sometimes you need to get that first goal to calm everybody down.
Why any sama kesi otini to dwa wono akasa ejatum sa first half na pitch ne de adabraka na pitch na something which is there na me pese wo hwe kakra ene ade a enwa game no 3-1 tum say pitch ne de no kremu na nyame anim ye yes, it's 3 goals na Facebook live on so no na o resa ne goals ni si by na nefe especially when Jonathan Soa local player Bamba Boad Macacrania dia Nanya Bades Ania dia enche you be the actual CC but young confirm man waka camera the Black Queens of Ghana Ghana Manu team no so Black Stars no na nei coach Nora Hoptel the Maria Makuma Quadrini and said Betuja as the 2024 Women's Africa Cup of Nations qualifier Ghana ni Rwanda Eddie Epimso Kigali on the 20th of September no and Maria Ensha campaign assistant Koni Yetimi Kopie mu be man so Rwanda and kwacho mo hye mo pa na face aba near the second leg na be hye so etimpato wey any Maria Makuma Kwadwiri miensa coach and didn't know hope to dem din aba betudwa Ernestina Bambila ne din aba be piem sanso na Anastasia Acha enso edin wo mo Vivian Kunadu Agyi enso ewo mo na Grace asa Achampon enso Priscilla Dobia wo Adama Alhassan and face no Susan Dia Ama Amponsa Mary and Grace Asantoa Giti Asefua Evelyn Badu Doris Boadua Portia Boache Azuma Bugri and Jennifer Kujo Munina and so Eddie Ewo Jennifer Kujo Sina Kanman Ojolan Janet Ejiri and so Jenamo den Sansa Linda Eshon Ababe Piemo Cynthia Conlan and Alice Kusi Kerry McCarthy Sala Nyameche Salifu Safiatu and Cheneboa Justice Wemo and Maba Makuma Kwadwini Miensa coach and did not have to Latonsa Fremo some Ramesha Campton a campaign as Sena Fish Rwanda game no Ghana to Miko Bojma and Fama Ghana and Marani Efio Maimo on the 17th of September na match and so Abaso on Wednesday the 20th of September way and the Koso the Black Queens of Ghana so catch and I want some so pro na no pay
Adom Sports number one
so it is sports page one live on Adom 106.3 MTN everywhere you go F Pack ni PH tablets can one DBS Industries Limited and so ejinemo dendendia anya sem keto akra nanka bibia se san fie de anim and the Ghanaian Premier League Eshase e wo manmu na House of Folk ni RTU and Eshase sene Eshase no sia ko na ehun de ni konde as injunction no anya effect on the league in Eshase fie da no and looking likely as a league in Eshase ni ade but last season team akwa no modern pie became United now one will see what Kingsley Osebosu na manfo bebrena ka esa Ghana league ni de na manfo ewuwura mu I be the twetwa bet kra ni ade a and CEO and ma became na tell us ko some to just be munya sansam ne kan yen became for the ka betting ni chacha ne omo de ne ma to games so I dey che dem ho bi
League Naziku, or we proud say our Jilly, and we crowd open matches above the from Tina, Mammy did compose no budget, walking, the Papa to Chacha. Oh, we did this our nature about 77 answer. Because we the Jilly now. My name is members and my colleagues here, they will respect me the more. They say a woman is back on years coming. They wouldn't try to salute. Salute to me, let me tell you. Now, concluding not any individual achievement, but the total achievement, I very affect you, Biano. They have been United, and I'll be proud. Cemetery, you know, or no working with the other. And this cemetery, I got a zip. What do you mean? I am not for making. Your court, Tamale. Yes, 2 quick goals. Supporters, no matter 7-11 more. We all pretty and said no. I told them, say, you're not going to show. You better the match. I got to Chachana, I tried letter to referee here. Didn't punish him. You know the referee was punished. Now, me make all the referees on me and say, I'm trying to punish him. I do tell you, I'm not the man.
Right, I know and some of the team that is you lot secret to draw which was a man for Adrian. I almost say now Edmond Aka Sabat, my man for Tony Obin or Dr. Tony Obin, a board member at the Pobo Friend Medima Sporting Club. When someone to just say one blue last season, almost break power G League, and just say Kulubia, almost a year on a board Magia. This season, a Airbason, almost Major Mohokra. Dr. Tony Obin.
Team, the president, Mr. Moses, Ama, the players, the coaches, the technical Ben and the management team, especially if you it's a washer. Season I bona edu baby ne ho kire. In fact, board don't cry emergency meeting, 2 days emergency meeting, just to try and revive the fortunes. Unfortunately, the club responded, the team responded positively. Emma, the normal society. We refocused our attention. We are now switching. Everyone when you switching, and now more to superior. I know when you switch. So we took baby our sideways. I'm saying at a point we are taking an eye off of the ball. So when we came back to reorganize ourselves, I think it went very well. And of course, we brought in our new old coach. You know, Coach Adote was there before and he was.
Dr. Tony Obin, board member, Adom Medima Sporting Club, Name somebody to draw from a league on team general. Some test for Kached Monaka, a general manager. Need Monaka, the photos from Konama Ghanaian Premier League players. No, as so many discipline, no many professional, and stay focused. Nasa 2 players that me copy of Black Stars. Ebeka Krebenya bro, bond your money mbo, aka discipline professionalism kaka.
Without discipline, discipline is the hallmark of every professional footballer. If indeed you are a professional footballer. And you know, and I'm very natural because there is a man who is in or more to 4 months. You know, in the end, when they leave, home will be, and you know, and on maybe be job. So they should be disciplined. Almost and now they should also behave like professionals. And yes, I Oko Brucha and we professional. So what you have no say, oh, when are you try a kind of bonus or no my no you it distract you. A more development no in your period. Obo say. Or be not some matter spell. Now we say a horror mode on BBI a camera. Over by now I am much last week. It be how fun yourselves to be as a robot, whether a Ketiano boy or more, whether bonus boy or more. Now the structure in the at the FA, a mamo. And they say if you want several contact of your crown, it's a club you can go to the status committee and claim whatever is due.
Right, and on someone around Edmond Aka, one a general manager, the Summer Test Football Club, was Summer Boy, what they to Ghanaian football from what they players bought the Ghanaian Premier League in Wabusa, and you were born on Summer, better answer the sports page too. At the page 1 near DBS Industries Limited, the Asia Concona, Yadia Bread War, roofing sheets, concrete, and sales solutions, they are more, and Ponce for the F Pack, be established also can one, and some day every war, MTN, my MTN, upon they say, BBA, MTN as well. I mean, feel it okay? Yes. No, I'm sponsors and a problem. I can't want to do about Immortal Jacqua Champion, let's grab stone. Writer, Amanya Raphael, James Oineba Makiami, producers. Can I say, or the Nanka Sabaka Kegyiwa, Eric, Asiedu, Boadi, because what you just on some.